Find or read reviews that people are talking about. HealSmart Ice Maker for Countertop. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Compact and portable. The lightweight and portable design of the mini ice maker makes it easy to store or carry, just 8.8 x 11.6 x 11.4 inches and weighs less than 14 pounds, more light than other brand. Widely used in home, kitchen, office, bar, and more. Quickly ice making. Just pour water into the ice maker, run it for 6 to 8 minutes, then you can enjoy 9 ice cubes. It even can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, will be a perfect substitute for the old one in your home. Self-cleaning function. With self-cleaning function, just press on/off button for 5 seconds to start self-cleaning mode, which allows you not to worry how and take time to clean it. Add a little lemon or soda to help better cleaning. Quiet operation. Operates at a low 35 decibel level, so you can have a quiet environment. This ensures that you are not disturbed by noise. Easy to use. Just fill the ice maker with water, less than 1.2 liters, press the on button. With infrared sensor, when the ice basket is full, over 1.3 pounds, or the water is insufficient, the indicator light will turn on, it will stop the ice making. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.